bright lights, big city. Las Vegas Strip looks beautiful in the night. And it's actually possible driving the Strip because it's not crowded like before COVID. I had an amazing weekend. It was so good that I wish it's Friday again. I have a small group of poker vloggers and we decided to meet in Las Vegas. A couple of them actually from LA were traveling and decided to come to play some poker, so let's organize something. Let's do some stuff together. So we started, as you could see in my previous video, Thursday night. We played at the Orleans tournament. There was 5 of us, 3 vloggers and 2 subscribers. Friday, a couple more people joined and we decided to have a dinner together. So we selected nice Mexican restaurant. Food is good, a lot of seafood and shrimp, but they had a band there playing live music that was so loud that we couldn't even talk. Check it out. At the dinner, we had Ricardo, Jenny, Pokerfish, and Chuck representing Happy Face Hold'em channel. After the dinner, we gathered at my RV. Hey, come in! So we're gonna set the world record, 3 vloggers in the RV at once.
3 vloggers in the RV? Oh.
3, come in.
RV.
Yeah.
This is his life.
Yeah, come in. It's taking...
No, you gotta be a vlogger to be in here. All right.
So we have Chucky, Chuckmeister, Ricardo from East LA, and this is the record.
Oh, dude, I think we're exceeding the weight.
Guinness Book record. 3 vloggers and other potential subscriber and other in the RV. All right, ladies and gentlemen, take your ammunition.
Word is
secret word in Serbian is živeli.
Živeli.
You can say živeli, ajde. Yeah, ajde.
All right. Yes, here we go.
All right. Opa!
I'm gonna want the seconds. I saved my cup for seconds. Well, you guys fucked up. You guys threw away your...
We threw ours away. Oh, right. I just throw mine away. Yeah.
I don't know. I just did it
So,
like.
Whoa.
If you guys haven't seen Fish Poker, I'll link it up here. Check it out. Funny guy. His wife promises he's as funny at home, but he might not be for long because I think I want to take him home. Mr. Vegas here, you know, he's the traveler. I'll try to link. I don't know how many links I can do, but you guys all know Mr. Vegas. And this guy,
I'm just a follower.
he's a stalker. So I'm telling you.
He's a
and
watcher.
I know his wife's going to watch this vlog.
Yeah.
He's a stalker. Just kidding. He's a good guy. But truly, he's a
Yeah,
stalker.
and he said his wife he's going to do some schoolwork.
He's supposed to be at school right
Supposed
now.
to be at
school right now. So, but we won't say anything.
But,
Okay, so tonight we have a first official meetup game of minor league vloggers.
And followers.
And followers, yeah. So here, Westgate, first meetup game of the minor league vloggers. That's the poker room. We have a separate table. There's gonna be 5 vloggers at once at the same table. That's the record. That's for Guinness Book of Records. I hope it's gonna be fun. So we are ready, waiting just for the table to get set. We have here All Man Coffee, Jeff, the Joker Poker, Ricardo from East LA. Que pasa, Holmes? Lady Fish, that's part of the poker, fish poker. And Chuck Meister, who doesn't play Omaha.
So what is my?
So it is
what my YouTube
Happy
channel?
Face No Omaha.
Again, I'm number one.
All right, very classy, very classy. So the game is officially starting. We have 5 vloggers. That's the World Guinness Book record. Seat 1, Lady Fish. Seat 2, Chuckmeister. Seat 3, Fish Poker. Seat 4, OMC. Seat 5, our buddy Steve. Seat 6. 6, 7, Ricardo. 6, 8, Jeff, Joker. And the first hand of the official minor league vloggers meetup game. We start strong, starting strong. Fold, girls, come on, girls. And hand number 1 goes to your. So I won the first hand. 2 hands later, I raise 11 pre-flop. Ricardo on my left calls, and everybody else folds. I have suited ace. Let's see how this plays. Where's 3-bet?
That's it.
What do you mean that's it? Where's 3-bet?
I'm taking it easy.
When he called, I asked him, how come only a call? Where's the 3-bet? Because he's my student. And I taught him, no limping, no flat calling, always 3-bet. So on a flop, when ace comes, I bet 15, he makes it 45. And said, you asked for it. Turn is another small card. I suspect now my kicker is not good. I check. He bets 25. I have to call. And the river, another small card. Definitely I'm checking here. Ready to muck. And then he bets 20. Okay, you can have it. I show my hand. He shows ace king. Ace king. Kicker plays. And the student beats the teacher. Good luck, buddy. Okay, something is developing here.
All in? Yeah, the movie Frozen?
Uh-oh.
Let it go. Record it.
We have all in, Fish, Poker, and Jeff.
You got the king, we're good. Oh, what a flop.
Flopped the straight, and Jeff was chasing
Pocket jacks. I put him on no
pocket jacks, needed queen.
Good hand. I put him on ace queen.
Okay, first official vloggers all in.
Overpair. That's all good. Good. Hey, Randy's here.
Key boy.
Oh, Randy Meister. How was the race?
My Wayne's guy won.
You had all my outs.
Okay.
Yeah, Wayne's
You
guy
had
won.
you had all my outs. Yeah.
Yeah, open seat. Open seat.
It's all good. How you working overtime? Start now.
It's gonna start out of the gun.
Okay. The
Some go right here. Right, that's how it's supposed to here. But
Girl is here. Are we doing some shots or something?
5 to play, button straddle.
What are we gonna do? Some shots?
On the runs,
Gets
one
in,
shot,
this here.
2 shots, 3 shots. Jeff, in. 1 shot. I'll do 1. That's all right. 3 shots. 4 shots. Tequila. 4 shots.
Okay.
What are these?
89.
There we go. Good year.
Giveli.
There we go. Yeah. Cheers.
What do you got? Where's your glass?
for the dealer. Okay. Chris, I want for. Give me that coffee and I'll pour it in there. Yeah.
All right.
It's better than Bellagio's tequila.
Shadow.
All right, go ahead. Button straddle, 5 to go. Make it 10.
I never limp, so there's no. Let me look at my hand. I have no idea.
Oh, you haven't looked at it yet?
Nope.
Oh, you and me? Oh,
Yeah, heads up.
easy call.
Done it.
Hey. Might as well ball in.
Hey. All in. You talked him into it.
Yeah, What?
Flush draw.
7 deuce. Option. I check. You bet.
Did you want this guy out? This guy right here.
You want to remove this guy? How you doing?
Good.
I met you already once. Yeah, that's my friend Wayne. He's the one tomorrow. Let's go over tomorrow too.
Okay, right on.
Yeah. Okay. All in.
We are riding with them.
You got 10-8 for the straight. That's tough to beat. You got one of your cards if you have the king. No.
Oh my God.
Please take forever to do it. No.
Another flop is great.
Oh, that would have been awesome.
Ship it, baby, ship it.
One more shot.
73.
Joker tokens.
Right here? I feel like I've been here for a week.
No, you're short. Too short? Yeah. 73.
One more?
All
One more water.
Now you're good.
One more water. Nice hand, Wiggins.
Oh, okay.
All right. What is it? 5 players? 1, 2, 3, 4.
How much do we bet? $12? Is that what we thought?
All in.
All in.
The gray hair move. The gray hair, respect it.
Gray hair pot. If you know what I mean. What? Girls? Anybody wearing pants here? Fuck that shit.
I will set mine.
So it's about 2 hours we're in the game.
Oh,
and,
shut up.
Oh,
Do that out.
blow me. And
Like that, wouldn't you?
there were a couple pots, one all in, and Ricardo is winning for now. Jeff had to rebuy. I had to do add-on.
I haven't taken very good notes today, so.
We are on a second round of shots now. We'll see what happens. Well, second round at the table. At the table, and we had 3 over there.
No, don't do that. No, it's a. Hey, shot
Raise.
You said yeah.
30, make it 30 to play.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Jeffy.
I vowed never to get a woman.
My bad, I'm not.
Does it mean anything? You asked if I was still large.
And they're good.
He's back. Never mind. You can go back.
Come back.
Hey, we're having breakfast tomorrow, right?
Shot number 2.
Yeah.
Plus 3 in RV.
Yeah, plus 3.
Ajde, živjeli. Salute. Cheers.
Oh man, why is that so delicious?
Oh, yeah. It slides down.
One more, guys. One more.
Make it feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Didn't like the shot?
That would be a bit much though if you're like this.
Of course. Huh?
Didn't want a shot?
I can understand.
He wanted to play poker.
Check. Did you check?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he wanted to play poker.
Is it only 2 people?
What's that?
Only 2?
Three.
One do.
3?
Fish and hold them. They're happy.
25.
Say it right. Say it
Happy.
Oh, don't show that.
Why?
You can fold,
7.
right?
Yep.
Just call it. You have to raise.
I will check.
Check. Check.
This is what you do on a paired board.
Did you hack my camera so you see what my hand is?
Oh, all right. Thank you much. There's a 3 on the board? Huh.
I'll buy you another one, man.
All right. Let's go. One more. Cheers, boys. Girls. You're on duty. Jeff.
All the other dealers are flying.
Here we go. Fish.
What do we have? 3 players? Can there be more spades?
25 is the bet.
What are you fishing? That's short. He didn't put 25.
Yeah, he did.
One more spade.
Careful what you ask for.
Richard, so you like for real not gonna drink no more? You're just joking, kind of.
Yeah, I have jacks. Wait. Did you check?
You're gonna not drink no more for real?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. What about 2 more shots?
2 more shots?
Flush. Oh. Pocket 4.
No.
Total's 50. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice tuck out.
Like a boss.
Five deuce, we don't want it. Just put it out
Ace
there.
8. And now in stereo and 1080p high resolution, the hand of the night. I'm in a big blind and it started with a raise by Pokerfish. I called, out of position, didn't want to 3-bet. We see the flop. 3, 5, 4, 2 diamonds, 1 spade. Flop the wheel. I check. Fish bets 15 and I raise. He called that without too much hesitating, and I was wondering at that moment, what if he flopped the higher straight? The turn card is another 5, but it's a spade. I was thinking about his pre-flop raise range. I had to put him on a pocket pair, maybe even pocket 6s, pocket 10s, or maybe 6-7 suited. I'm not sure, but spades are my backup plan. So I bet 115. It took him about half minute, but he calls. Now I'm sure that he has a overpair and he's just cautious because of possible straight, flush draws, 2 5s on the board, and the board paired again. 2 pairs on the board. What do I do here? Let's go for some value. I bet 100. Didn't want to go all in. I'm pretty sure he would fold. He throws himself back in the chair and start whining. At that moment, my first thought was, okay, he has pocket aces or kings, big hand. So, like he feels it's cracked. And then I said, I wish I went all in. And this moment, I really thought my best play would be all in.
I had a 5.
He finds strength to call. I show my straight,
I had the 5.
and fish shows pocket pair.
I couldn't call that.
3 of spades and 3 of clubs. I'm pretty sure now, with my all-in, he's folding. That's poker. But we continue to celebrate. This is the most important. What are the troopers? I have no clue what you're saying. Well, gentlemen, I think it was fun for the first event we have. Now we're gonna go to next one in LA. Yep.
Next one is in LA.
Everybody's cashing out. It's after midnight. Numerous shots, big pots.
And I want to get
Let it be known that
a fish.
fish is the big winner. Big winner, fish.
2 here, fish. 2 here.
I got breakfast tomorrow.
All right. It's Saturday morning. We are at the Polaris Street Cafe. I'm with Chuck, Poker Fish, and Fish Lady. We came for breakfast. I saw this place like 2 weeks ago. Chef Robert making a show, remodeling restaurants, Restaurant Impossible or something like that. He came, remodeled, helped them revive the menu. And it's busy, it's packed inside, so we had to wait like 20 minutes for the table. So breakfast arrived. This is steak omelet. Chucky, what do you have?
What do I got, guys?
Pedigree.
Carne asada skillet.
Okay, that's foreign language.
She says it nice.
She has the same thing. Say that again.
Carne asada skillet.
Okay, they too have the skillet, and you have a
mushroom omelet.
mushroom omelet. All right, vegan, going vegan. Let's get fat.